Okay, so for this audio test, what we're gonna do is go ahead and read a very brief story so that I can have a way to kind of check the different audios when we go back in post and check to see how it sounds. Okay, so a couple different audios that we have set up right now is we're gonna do raw straight from camera, so you hear how it sounds straight out the camera. Next, we have here the Rode NTG 4 Plus, and that is going straight into the Zoom H4n Pro. And then from there, we have the Rode Wireless Go 2. We're only using one right now, obviously. And I have the receiver going into my Tascam DR05, okay? And what we're gonna read right now is brown bear, what do you see? So let's just get this audio on and popping. Brown bear, what do you see? By Bill Martin Jr. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. I hope this book is not like copyright infringement. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? Sorry, this is the long part right here. We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. I messed up at the end there. No worries. So hopefully that audio came through pretty clean. So yeah, let's check it out.